It is reported from Hazrat Abdullah bin Shaddad, I heard the cry of Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu while I was in last row. He was reciting, I cry out of assistance in my anguish and sorrow unto Allah. Surah Yusuf, verse 86. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, the mother of the believers, reports, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in his illness, ask Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu to lead the people in the prayer. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha told that, she said, when Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu stands at your place, he will not be audible to the people owing to his weeping. Issue orders for Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu to lead the people in the prayer. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, ask Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu to lead the people in the prayer. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said that she requested Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anha to say to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, if Hazrat Abu Bakr stands at your place, he will not be audible to the people owing to his weeping. Issue orders for Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu to lead the people in the prayer. When Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anha did so, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, leave it. You are like the women of Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam period. Ask Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu to lead the people in the prayer. Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anha said to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, I did not get any goodness from you. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 716.